All right, guys, real quick video here for you. I wanted to make this and talk about the possibility of this semiconductor chip AI stock possibly being worth more than Micron by 2028. Okay. So the chip sector, NVIDIA, AMD, all those guys, Intel, Broadcom, are and have been the darlings of the AI stock sector, right? And a lot of eyes are focused on memory right now with Micron, SK Hynix, Samsung, and what's going on there with the bottleneck. But this is a smaller semiconductor stock that a lot of people don't talk about. This AI stock, a lot of people don't talk about it. That's why I wanted to share it with you. I think this one is really interesting, and it's one that I think could absolutely should be part of your portfolio. And I think there's a lot of opportunity here. Okay, so Micron's seen its value past $1 trillion. We know that. If you look at kind of Micron stock, it's done really well as of recent. Well, not in the last. Well, from here we know this, right? In the last 7 days or so, the market has been beat up. Okay. So I'm talking really kind of outside of that. And so Micron is really one of the darlings, if you will, of the, of the market out there right now. So the chip I want to talk to you about, the chip company is ASML. Okay. So ASML is the ticker. On the last month, it's up 11%. 1 year, it's up 123%. 5 years, it's 160%. So you can see the massive gains have not really come in relative to kind of what like a Micron yet is for this. So I think ASML still, again, has a lot of upside opportunity here. Okay. If you look at kind of year to date, they started trading the year at 11.59 and currently trading at, again, 17.34. So they're up significantly. So, but I still think there's opportunity here to kind of take a look at what could happen here with ASML. Okay, so kind of continuing to look down here, give you some reasons why ASML could eclipse Micron and could become pretty big. Okay, if you look at what's going on kind of in the space, right? Every foundry in the world is building new facilities and buying new equipment to print more chips. That's the key. So everybody out there is trying to build out production. Okay, the chip manufacturing as well as memory manufacturing, and that puts equipment suppliers, which is what ASML is, in a very advantageous position, one of the best options. Okay, what ASML does is they specialize in assembling lithography machines which print transistor patterns on silicon wafers. Okay, say that really fast. Its extreme ultraviolet machines are used for the most advanced chips in production, while its deluxe ultraviolet technology is used for older, less advanced chips, such as memory chips. Their machines have a long lifespan, but the company can generate recurring revenue through service agreements. Install-based management generated 2.5 billion euros last quarter, up 17% year over year, despite unit sales for the period dropping compared to the year. And again, remember, we've got massive build out coming inside of the data center build out. Okay, so a lot we need the types of machines that are being provided by ASML. Okay, they have a good line of sight to revenue acceleration going forward. Quote, our customers are accelerating their capacity expansion plans for 26 and beyond, supported by long-term agreements with their customers. Okay, so this one I think is really interesting. So let's see. At its investor day in 24, management guided for revenue between 44 billion euros and 60 billion euros by 2030. It's set to blow past those targets. Management's latest guidance for 26 revenue to come in between 36 billion and 40 billion euros. And 2030 guidance will be continued acceleration moving up. Okay, so the P&E ratio typically cycles between 24 and 60. If it maintains an average P&E of around 36 and 28, the stock would trade at about 1,825 based on analyst estimates. That's only 8.5% upside from its current position. But I think, again, more momentum. I think this is a good long-term bet. Remember, we're going to see that AI infrastructure build out go from about 700 billion this year, ending 26, to 5.3 trillion and beyond for 2030, and 7+ trillion for 2033. It's not slowing down. And a company like ASML is standing right there as one of those that could definitely benefit from it. Here's a different view of their chart. You can see in the last 63 days up 31+%. You can see that right there. And by the way, that is my trading indicator giving you those buy and sell alerts, like right there. Let me show you AMD. It's a really good example. Buy here, sell here, 65 days, 172%. So if you would have bought here and sold here, it would have made you a ton of money. on $1,000 investment, you would have made an additional $1,724 in profit off of that. Okay, so interesting, right? So links are in the description below if you want to go check out my trading indicator. It's X1 Algo. You can pick your plan. There's a no questions asked 30-day money back refund guarantee. You're protected by, so you can try it. If you don't like it, you get a refund. If you want to cancel it inside the first 30 days, go forward basis, you can cancel at any time. No long-term contracts, anything like that. As well as there's a live coach every week in the members area, and there's a private community behind it where you can be no longer kind of alone in your investing journey, right? You can come in there and then invest and learn from others and things of this nature, kind of be part of a community. So if that's interesting to you, links are right down there. Go pick it up. And I appreciate you giving me a few minutes. Let me know what you think about ASML. I think this is a good opportunity. And I'm definitely looking to add it to my stock portfolio. I'll see you. Thanks. Bye.